Manitoba, eh? It's one of those things that just never gets old, you know. You get outside and check your weather app before you go outside, and weather app says, oh, it's only supposed to be -5, you know. You get outside, it's like -10, and you know, so you go back inside and you get more stuff on, and you're like, oh man, it's gonna be cold today. You go outside and you get work and you realize, oh, it warms up to -5, you know. And so you get, you know, you're done the day and you get back and home and you get ready to do chores again for tomorrow. So you check your weather app for tomorrow and it says, oh man, -30 tomorrow. You know, you wake up and oh no, it's wind chill -48, you know. Canada, it's just crazy here in Canada. Manitoba, Canada. You know, you just can't predict the weather. We have 70-degree Celsius temperature swings. Now that's not in the winter, that's from winter to summer, but in winter you can expect anywhere from 0 to -40 degrees temperature change. And sometimes it's even +5 in the winter. Welcome to Manitoba. Yep. Can be chilly. That's why we got a stockpile of our cattle feed in that thing right there, this big old silage pit. Let me show it to you. It's got a big old tarp over it. See? Big old tarp. Now that's a whole nother video. Out. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of industrial radios, but there's our industrial radio. Just turn it on. Not very loud yet. Let's see here. Put this motor up. Maybe we'll get better signal. Hey, what do you know? There we go. Now this here, folks, this here is a 5-foot high, egg radial, durable, rubberized agricultural tire. It's got some spunk and some liquid in it. And did I mention it's rubber?
It's always good to see that star up above you. Keeps you warm in the winter and dry in the summer. That's right. Now this stuff here is S-T-A-W. I can't say the real word or else the cows will go crazy, but they like to lay on it. And keeps them dry and warm in the winter when it's 40 below. That's Celsius, by the way. And yeah, can't say the word, but it's S-T-A-W. Yep. Cows are like attracted to this black object. Check it out. Need to show everybody what this stuff is. I don't know what it is, maybe you guys can tell me. It's pretty cold, it's fluffy, and it's very white. Let me show you. Look at this. There's tons of it. Woo! Look at this. It's just like fluff. It's just fluffy. Fluffy!
Hi. I'm just toasting along. Already got fried in the sun today. Oh, but no yolk. You're excellent.